It's Justin with the orange beard. All right, let's talk about something serious, guys. Quantum computers, which are basically regular computers, much cooler, slightly rebellious cousins. If regular computers are solving puzzles with crayons, quantum computers are painting masterpieces with lasers. Are you intrigued? Good. Imagine a regular computer is like flipping a coin, heads or tails, 0 or 1. That is a bit. Simple, predictable, kind of boring. A quantum computer, though, it's like flipping the coin and somehow having it land on both heads and tails at the same time. The magic trick is called superposition. And no, it's not cheating. It's quantum physics. So don't try it at home unless you've got a PhD or a very forgiving coin collection. But here's where it gets wild, guys. Regular computers work step by step, but like reading a book, one word at a time. Quantum computers will take the entire library, skim it in one glance, find the book you need, and then correct a typo on page 312 just because. And they're just that efficient. They're ridiculously efficient because they can consider all possibilities at once rather than just one at a time. Now, why should you care? Let me paint you a picture. First, AI and machine learning. That's kind of my bag. Imagine teaching a robot to make the perfect pizza. Regular computers take several years to figure out the right mix of sauce, cheese, existential angst, and depression. But quantum computers, they'll crack the recipe in 2 minutes, invent a new flavor, and possibly write a best selling book about the experience. Then there's process automation. Think about the most complicated task you can imagine, say, scheduling 10,000 flights during a snowstorm without breaking into tears. Quantum computers can handle that with the kind of calm efficiency that even the most seasoned air traffic controller would be envious of. So here's a fun fact. Designing new medicines is like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded while wearing oven mitts. Regular computers, they'll get there eventually, but quantum computers could solve the same problem faster than you could say pharmaceutical breakthrough. This kind of speed isn't just impressive, it is transformative, it is life saving. So, of course, quantum computers aren't perfect. They're still a bit like child prodigies who can recite Shakespeare but forget where they left their shoes. They tend to make errors because quantum physics is complicated. Scientists are working on error correction, and the guys at Google made a big jump with their Willow quantum chip, which is basically teaching these computers to fact to check themselves before they wreck themselves. The future? Oh, it's dazzling. Quantum computers might help build AI so intelligent that it writes poetry that actually makes sense, or automate processes so smoothly that you'll wonder why you ever did anything manually. I mean, sweat. Ugh. They'll tackle problems we can't even define yet, and they'll do it with the kind of flair that regular computers can only dream of. So, yes, quantum computers are rewriting the rulebook. They're not just the next big thing, they're the next incomprehensibly gigantic thing. So get ready for a future that's faster, smarter, and maybe just a little bit quantum.